Hi everyone, want to build a smart, responsive chatbot using AI? Here's how to use a Minimax to create and customize your own in just minutes. Let's get started. First, open your browser and visit the official Minimax site. And you can also try in your mobile phone if needed. Then you can click Start, Get Started, or Sign Up. Use your email, Google, or phone to register. Then, once inside the dashboard, go to AI Assistant or Chatbot Builder section and you'll see the options to create or explore the bots. Click the Create New Bot or similar, then enter your bot's name, description, and personality traits. You can also choose a tone, whether it's friendly, professional, flirty, and more. And you can add a custom instructions or use templates like you are helpful, witty virtual assistant for a bookstore. Then, after that, start chatting or embed the bot. Test it by chatting right inside the platform. If you're using this on your website or app, look for API access, embed codes, and export options if it's available. Then, for the bonus tip, you can use for roleplay, customer support, and fun. The Minimax AI may have a usage limit for the free plans. AI response quality depends on the prompt setup and personality settings. Then, it supports Chinese and English and possibly other language. And that's it. That's how you use a Minimax.io to create your very own AI chatbot, whether it's for fun, business, or content creation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.